how to turn off or on community notifications on Amazon shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon and then once you're here click this three lines here and then click settings, and here we'll find notifications, and then scroll down. Here we'll find it. Here is it. You can turn it off or on as you see. It's easy, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.